Turn off videos notifications from account you follow. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off videos notifications from account you follow on TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok and now go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, click on those three lines up there and click on setting and privacy. And here you're gonna find push notifications. Click on it. Scroll down and you're gonna find video suggestions. The first option, which is videos from account you follow, and you can turn off or on this option wherever you want. If you turn off this option, when some account you know or you follow, when they post a video, are not gonna get a notifications on your TikTok app on your inbox. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.